Hello students, today we will construct a trigonometric ratios table with a very simple trick. So let's get started. How to construct it? First of all, write down zero by 4, 1 by 4 under root, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. For sin 0, under root of 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Under root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Under root of 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by under root 2. Under root 3 by 4 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Under root 4 by 4 is equal to 1. For t ratios of cos, write down from this side, that is first 1, next under root 3 by 2, next 1 by under root 2, next 1 by 2 and next 0. Now t ratios of tan. Because tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta, so tan of 0 degree is equal to 0 divided by 1. 0 by 1 0 by 1 means 0. Now tan 30 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by under root 3 by 2, that is 1 by under root 3. Next tan of 45 degree, 1 by under root 2 divided by 1 by under root 2, which is equal to 1. Next tan of 60 degree, under root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to under root of 3. For tan 90, 1 by 0, which is not defined. ND stands for not defined. Next, for t ratios of cosecant, as we all well know that cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So cosecant 0 degree is equal to reciprocal of 0 is not defined, because 0 by 1 is equal to not defined. Now reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by under root 2 is under root 2. Reciprocal of under root 3 by 2 is 2 by under root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now for t ratios of secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of under root 3 by 2 is 2 by under root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by under root 2 is under root 2. And reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Now for t ratios of cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Now for t ratios of cot theta, divide cos theta by sin theta. That is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. Next cos theta divided by sin theta, under root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that is under root 3. Next, 1 by under root 2 divided by 1 by under root 2, which is equal to 1. For cot of 60 degree, again divide cos theta by sin theta. 1 by 2 divided by under root 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 by under root 3. And last one, for cot of 90 degree, again divide cos by sin. According to this, cos by sin, 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 means 0. In this way, we find out all the trigonometric ratios. Hope you all now construct this table very easily. Thank you.